CCTV footage raises new question about Cyrus Jirongo's final moments on Nairobi-Naivasha Highway. CCTV footage from Nairobi-Naivasha Highway has raised fresh questions about the final moments of the late Cyrus Jirongo. The footage, now in the hands of investigators, is said to capture key movements shortly before the incident that claim his life. Officials say the material could help clarify timelines. It could also explain decisions made on the road that night. However, it has also opened new lines of inquiry. According to sources familiar with the probe, cameras along the busy highway recorded Jirongo's vehicle at multiple points. The images reportedly show changes in speed and brief stops that were not initially disclosed. Investigators are studying whether these moments were routine or unusual. They are also checking if other vehicles were nearby. The goal is to establish who was present and what may have influenced the outcome. Subscribe EBK for more information.